Hello there and welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a test of my addressable fire system. So first things first, the control panel. So this is a Kentek Synchro AS 2-loop control panel. It is running Apollo protocol, and so this panel itself, as you can see, it's in my room. And it's quite nice. I've had it for about 2 months now and I haven't had any issues with it, so that's good. And I'm only going to be testing the manual call points in today's video. The reason for that is purely because I haven't got any artificial smoke, so I can't test the smoke element in the multi-sensors, and I also haven't got a hairdryer set up, so I can't test the heat elements either. So I'll only be testing the call points today. To start off with, I'm going to be going to the workshop and we'll be testing the call point in there, and then I'm going to run up to the house, silence the system, and you'll see what comes up on screen, and then I'll be testing the call point in my room. So I hope you enjoy the video, and without further ado, let's get into it. Right, okay, so here we are in the workshop. One thing I did forget to mention is that the workshop is actually on a zone monitor. So this is a KAC conventional call point, as you can see there, it's on the zone monitor, and this is also a conventional multi-sensor as well. So it's quite cool. So a quick run through what we've got in here then. So we've got the main junction box where the cable from the house comes in. I know it's an FP cable. The FP cable is expensive, so I've improvised with alarm cable. But anyway, that's the main junction box where the conventional zone and sounder circuit comes in. It then goes into a Roshni low profile. I've had this for quite a few years now, it is quite old. And then on top of that is a Cranford Controls LED strobe thing. So that's quite cool. That's set to low volume because it is only a small area, so that is that. And then up here, this actually isn't in use anymore, it's just I couldn't be bothered to take it down, but that is actually a C-Tech active voice sounder, but that's not used anymore. I've unwired that. I'm purely just using the multi-sensor. So so to start off with, testing the call point in here. So let's get on with the test. Test the call point, and then we'll go up to the house, silence the panel, and let's go on with it. There we are. So that's that. So the way I've set it up is that the workshop is on zone 4 on the system, and so if we read the display here, it says zones in alarm 1, fire, zone monitor, zone 4, address 1, loop 2, node 3. The reason why it says that is because on the network card it's got in the panel, I forgot to change the node, so I got this panel used and it was node 3 on the network, so that's why it says node 3. Auto learn, that's purely because I haven't changed the name of the panel, so it just says auto learn, and it says Ben's room, because that's the location of the zone monitor. And then it's got zone monitor for workshop, so you know it's the workshop. So that's that call point tested. I actually forgot to show the beacon flashing, so I will actually insert a clip just here of that flashing so you can see that. And so that's that one tested. So the next device we're going to be testing is the manual call point in here. So this is a addressable call point. So let's test this now. This is loop 1 device 3. So let's get on with that. sound of and silence. Go. So it now says zones in alarm 2, and it shows them in order of their activation. So as you can see there, we've got the workshop, and then we've got the call point in my room. So yeah, and it lines up the corresponding zone. Zone 1, Ben's room. Zone 1, as you can see. So yeah, that's the 2 call points tested, and that is about it really. That sort of concludes this test. It is only a brief test. I will be doing a full proper video again soon once I've got artificial smoke. But yeah, so let's reset the panel now, return back to normal, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.